सा काउंटर?
Afro.
Afro. We are going for 52 Blues London. ओपनिंग फिल्म एट लंदन इंडियन फिल्म फेस्टिवल। आओ आओ हमारे साथ रहो, इस पे बहुत बातें करेंगे।
बट जा कहाँ रहे हो?
We going to London.
Hi.
You're on my
मैंने
vlog.
एंकरिंग काम छोड़ दिया ना, नहीं एक्टर बन गया।
London. Beauty, beauty, beauty.
The Beast.
Okay, fine. Spicy. बताना चाहती हूँ कितने स्टेप। Where's my chain?
कौन सी चीज?
Chinatown, baby. कौन सा काउंटर?
Afro.
Afro. Did you see the match?
Yeah. I slept at 10, woke up at 12:30, slept at 3:30, woke up at 5.
Fan. I wanted to watch the match, but I thought कि मैं सो के उठ के फिर देखूंगी, तो मैं सो गई. But in the morning, I'm just going to see the highlights. मैंने कुछ तो देखी है, and it's just really heartbreaking that Ronaldo is out. Is it fair to say Ronaldo is out or Portugal? What are you most
Portugal's
sad about?
out.
No, sad about Portugal.
I'm not sad about it at all because I'm a big Messi fan. So
You're a big Messi fan. On the subject of Messi, we are going for 52 Blues London. Opening film at London Indian Film Festival. Oh, we're going to Heathrow?
yes.
And I want to tell you guys, stories about a little boy and his love for Messi. What a great time it is. आओ आओ हमारे साथ रहो, इस पे बहुत बातें करेंगे।
But जा कहाँ रहे हो?
We going to London. Okay guys, अब हम जा रहे हैं London. Very excited. It's going to be a long flight. On long flights, what do? I miss my children. I miss them a lot. I also do some skincare, which I will be telling you. But मैं अपने दोस्तों को मिलवाना चाहती हूँ आपसे. See this. Vinny, say hi.
Hi, who is it?
It's me.
Hi. Is it Angad?
No,
Hi, Neha.
it's a camera.
Damn it.
You're on my
मैंने
vlog.
एंकरिंग काम छोड़ दिया ना, नहीं एक्टर बन गया।
असली दोस्त यही करते हैं, बेइज्जती guys, बेइज्जती।
पहले एक्टर थे, अभी एंकर हो गए हैं। मैं पहले एंकर था।
Are you trying to say I'm not acting? Are you kidding me? Turn around. Turn around. My fans want to see you right now. हम आप पहुंचे हैं लंदन में guys. Yes, we're right in the heart of the city. Oh, the big London bus. Headed to the hotel. अभी क्या प्लान है? बाहर जाएंगे, थोड़ा घूमेंगे फिरेंगे, खाएंगे और उसके बाद थोड़ा और खाना खाएंगे, फिर और सैर करेंगे, उसके बाद कल की तैयारी करेंगे। हम हमारे साथ गाड़ी में बहुत सारे हमारे दोस्त हैं जिनको हम धीरे धीरे इंट्रोड्यूस कराएंगे। London. What is this on the right?
That's a Big Ben.
Where's the Big Ben? Oh, Big Ben. वक्त देख लो क्या हुआ है. Beautiful. Left side पे I will show you the London Eye, very famous London Eye. अगर आप लोग यहाँ पहले आ चुके हैं, tell me in comments where else I can go. कोई खाने की suggestions, कुछ देखने की suggestions, सब बताइए. I've been to London many times before, but हाँ कुछ याद आ रहा है वापस because it's been after many long years. But Rishi, वो फुटबॉल ही देखी जा रहा है. Rishi स्कोर क्या हुआ है?
2-2.
तूने ऐसे अर्जेंटीना को आउट कर दिया था.
नहीं. They're back.
मैंने बोला था ऐसे Argentina shouldn't give up so fast and Rishi shouldn't give up so fast on them. But yes, we're back in the game. Back. ऐसे हम 52 Blue की प्रमोशन और लॉन्च करने आए हैं. हम इतनी जल्दी थोड़ी ना जाने देंगे किसी को. London's very famous London Eye. So beautiful spots. Oh my god. Okay, it's beautiful. हम यहाँ पे अपने होटल में रह रहे हैं, which is right on the river. And take a look at this. How beautiful this is. Right by the sea containers. और यहाँ पे सबको यहाँ पे भागते हुए देख के ना बहुत इंस्पायर हो रही हूँ. So this is the exact track I'm going to be running on. Right now the plan is डिनर करेंगे सबके साथ, टीम के साथ यहाँ पे. उसके बाद सैर के लिए जाएंगे. आ ही गए हैं, तो let me give you the view. Splendid. Ooh, look at this view. Something about having dinner when the sun is still up, na? I don't feel fully full. But कोई बात नहीं, जाते हैं नीचे, खाना खाते हैं, देखते हैं क्या है खाने में. Okay, this. Oh my god. This is not, ये मतलब कोई brand indication नहीं है guys. Ketchup, mustard, classic yellow, Marmite. all things that you can do without for the rest of your life, but I'm not about beauty.
The Beast.
Okay, fine. हम कहाँ हैं? सी कंटेनर रेस्टोरेंट में हैं. यहाँ पे हम कई बार आएंगे because the menu is looking so good and I'm a creature of habit, so I want to come and try multiple things. But the first thing is let's keep it spicy. अगर आपको लगता है मैं मिर्ची नहीं खा सकती हूँ, watch me. It's not hot, but it's just hot. Like it's just garam. Look at this. I'll see you on the other side. Tell me about this place. Why is this called Sea Container?
Because it's a sea container.
Okay. Chicken. Winner, chicken dinner. Cabbage, cod. Looking so good. Guys, मैं आपसे बातें करूं या मैं ये खाना खाऊं, मुझे आप लोगों से बहुत प्यार है, पर मुझे खाने से इससे भी ज़्यादा प्यार है. Digging in right. वैसे यहाँ पे 9:20 हो गए. इंडिया में कितने बजे?
2 o'clock at night.
2 a.m. 2 a.m. I'm allowed to eat. You're not allowed to eat.
Regular
Bye.
foodie.
उफ, अति सुंदर. क्या आसमान कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. I'm so jet lagged right now. I can't. Overeaten, underslept. कल मिलते हैं. अभी बहुत दुविधा हो रही है क्योंकि हमको शॉपिंग जाना है. We are going to the world famous Bicester Village. I've never been, but मैंने सुना है कि it's like an outlet where you get really cool, expensive brands. What is the question of the day?
How do you reach there?
Option 1, Blackfriars X Station है जहाँ से हमको सर्कल लेके बेकर स्ट्रीट जाके 7 मिनट वॉक करके फिर माड़ेबू स्टेशन. I don't know any names that I'm saying correct or wrong. Then we jump on the train to Bicester. Option 2, यहाँ से हम सीधा जाएं, go on the Jubilee line, get on to Maribou station, then connect. आप अगर हमारी जगह में होते तो आप कौन सी ऑप्शन लेते?
जुबली लाइन से भी बेकर स्ट्रीट ही जाना पड़ेगा.
ओके, सबसे पहले हम एक चिट्ठी डालना चाहते हैं घर के लिए, क्योंकि हम चाहते हैं कि आप लोगों को पता चले हम लोग कहाँ पे हैं. How cool is this? Why did we stop the post box? Okay, let's go guys. Also, I want to show everybody my OOTD look of the day. What am I wearing? This lovely brand from Delhi called August. Shirt, dress, little attire, sneakers, on, bag, Celine. क्या बता रहा? 38 pounds?
Marylebone railway station.
Plus we have to take English classes to spell this railway station. But more importantly, Rishi, अब हमारी दुविधा है कि हम 3 oyster pass खरीदें या $38 spend करें. Guys, we're always on budget. Even if you're in one of the most expensive cities in the world, we are on budget. दुविधा ये है कि 1 घंटा हो गया, हम अभी पहुंचे नहीं है पहले रेलवे स्टेशन तक. Will we reach the spot or not? I don't think so. When you take the Jubilee line, get water, you go all the way down to Baker Street, guys. इतने बता रही हूँ, हमने 2 बार अपनी Uber कैंसिल करके पैसे बचाने के चक्कर में हम 13 पाउंड ऑलरेडी गवा चुके हैं. बट कम शुक्र है हम अंदर घुसे. शुक्र है. क्या लगता है ऋषि, आज हम पहुँचेंगे कि नहीं?
पहुँच जाए बस.
मुश्किल है. दुकानें बंद करने के लिए हम पहुँचेंगे फिर से 3 घंटे से हम बस गोल घूम रहे हैं. But yeah, we're the world famous London Underground, everybody. Follow me. ये जो है फोटो शर्लक होम्स म्यूजियम ने कमीशन की है ऑफ द ग्रेट डिटेक्टिव. हम भी वही ग्रेट डिटेक्टिव्स हैं जो अभी तक बिस्टर विलेज ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. हाँ, रास्ता ढूंढ रहे हैं. Guys, बहुत ही ज़्यादा मेहनत के बाद हम फाइनली बिस्टर पहुंच चुके हैं. We are finally at Bicester Village 4 more minutes before we get down to shop again. कई देर के लिए, अब बहुत देर के लिए आप मुझे नहीं देखेंगे because we have reached our destination. Shopping में शायद busy हो जाऊँ, so 4 hours later अपना हाल बताऊंगी मैं. Bye. Guys, बहुत देर हो गई हमने बात की थी. The mall is officially shut. My hands are officially full. Rishi, what are you looking for? No, you don't have to go here, Rishi. You have to go to Dior. It's at the back where that blue van is. And as always, we are lost. I'm a mess. It's a confession that I'm making. I'm a mess. I'm a shopping mess. ट्रेन भी आज डिले हो गई है, दुकानें बंद हो गई है, स्टेशन सुनसान हो गया है, बट ऋषि और मैं यहाँ पे भी अंधाधुंध शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं. Guys, why do I wave like this? Neha, you have to stop. Say something.
If you don't stop, I have stopped it from today onwards. On camera.
On camera, my manager has officially dumped me as my shopping partner. That's it,
Yes.
guys. This is our first breakup. And ऋषि, मैंने तो घड़ी पहनी है, मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कितने स्टेप. Where's my chain?
कौन सी चीज?
Where did it go? वो जो मैंने पहनी थी वो Balenciaga वाली हार्ट. एक मिनट. Thank God मिल गई. Thank God मेरी बैंड बज गई. ये सब बताते वक्त. Also I want to tell you 17,240 steps. Can you see it? Zoom in कर. 17,240. अभी तक हम घर नहीं पहुँचे. 12.87 किलोमीटर्स. I think पहुँचते 20,000 से ज़्यादा steps हो जाएंगे. Guys, This is the end of me. Please comments में लिखिए Neha do not shop. Hashtag Neha do not shop anymore. Rishi, what's going on, Rishi?
I need vegetables to put in and make it sabzi.
Sabzi is tomato puree. Okay guys, picnic on the train. क्या हो रहा है हमारे साथ ट्रेन पे मैं बताना चाहती हूँ. वैसे तो 11 बज गए रात को. टॉपिक क्लियर. ऊपर से here's my dinner. Tell me you like sea salt chips as much as I do. Yum little roll. Guys, 11:54 at night. 18,232 steps. All the shopping is in front of you. I am done. कल से काम शुरू. See you, good night. See you on the other side, everybody. Rishi, good night, Rishi. Good morning. First day, press day, 52 blue. Here we are. तैयारी हो रही है. जो मेरी जिंदगी में इंसान चमक लेके आता है वो यहाँ है. Presenting the one and only. Drum roll. Everybody, Yongten, everybody. एक तरफ होते हैं इंसान और एक तरफ होते हैं आर्टिस्ट और एक तरफ होते हैं मेकअप आर्टिस्ट और एक तरफ होते हैं हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट और दूसरी तरफ होती है Yongten. आपको पता चलेगा इसी ब्लॉग में कुछ ही देर में. पर मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, स्टे विद अस.
Hello.
मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कल हमने पूरे दिन शॉपिंग की. ऋषि को डील में बहुत कुछ उसने ढूंढने की कोशिश की. He bought a set of boxers. 3 at the price of 1. He's so excited he wants to wear all 3 on the same day. Agree or disagree?
No, Neha's bought the same for Angad, so I don't know what's the same.
वो तेरी तो OOTD डिस्कस हो गई. अब मेरी OOTD डिस्कस कर ले. But I want to tell you, Yongten is most amused because I am such a heavy traveler to see. ये है मेरी.
I was like surprised. I was like, Neha, you just traveled with this outfit for 3 days?
3 days. 20 minutes to show time. Almost ready. Yongten का जादू चल चुका है. Guys, इन सब चीजों के बीच में प्रिंस और युविका का एपिसोड. आई डोंट नो अभी तक जब तक ये वीलॉग आएगा आप तो सबने देख लिया होगा. प्लीज जिन्होंने नहीं देखा, गो एंड सी प्रिंस एंड युविका's एपिसोड ऑन डबल डेट. डज मनी इंस्पायर यू ऋषि और वर्क इंस्पायर यू? मनी. डू आई
Work will happen only when money is there. मतलब ये तो is very important to do.
मैं एडिट कर दूंगी. मैं बचाऊंगी.
But not for 6 days.
You prefer me at work, me at home or me shopping?
Work all the time.
Okay.
तब तो पैसा आएगा.
Okay. Do you prefer me wearing Indian outfits or Western or you don't care?
Don't care.
Do you prefer me being late or the client being late?
You being late.
Oh, so guys, he's fine. So that means I have time for breakfast. Ta-da! क्या है आज नाश्ते में? Take a good look at this. Berries, strawberries. Yongten, what's the look for today?
Sleek, fresh makeup, maybe some stain.
Yeah.
Because we are going out.
Yeah.
No more fine lines. All covered. We are using
What are we using?
Dalba.
Dalba. Take a good look at Dalba. Dalba का pop-up आएगा यहाँ पे. Yongten बताइए उसने क्या use किया है. Do I need my card, Rishi? Will you keep my cards?
Which card?
The one that has no money in it and the other one that I don't know the pin of. Actually, I don't need money. Do I need money?
No.
और क्या चाहिए? Do I need this? Hiya! Day 1, off we go. चलो हमारे साथ. Let's go. हम जा रहे हैं 52 Blue. Yes, our international film. उसके press junket के लिए. Look breakdown. Let me do the look breakdown. What am I wearing right now? Amazing Indian brand called Lovebirds. बहुत लोगों को पता होगा Lovebirds के बारे में, कई लोगों को नहीं पता. Yongten ने बाल किए हैं very cute, simple makeup, fresh, clean because the dress is extremely dressy. हाँ, हमारा मन बदल गया था. हमने सोचा था कि हम पहले वो हरा पहनेंगे, but no. And yeah, shoes by Christian Louboutin. Forever pumps, forever ready. Ali, I'm so happy to see you. Everybody, Ali, world famous Ali. He's the director of 52 Blue. I don't need to say more. I've given all your introduction.
Our store, you will see Neha Vidya, 52 Blue, genius actress. You will see today.
Now I'll show you my whole look. I'm wearing this beautiful dress by Lovebirds. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, जैसे मैं तैयार होंगी आप लोगों के साथ में बताती रहूँगी what I'm wearing. And it's time to go back home now. Home as in back to the hotel. और दीदी बताओ कैसा रहा आपका first day, press day?
Okay, how about you?
I am tired. I'll tell you why. Because you're the one who had the mango lassi. Sound में बीच में दोनों लस्सी पी रहे थे. मैं दिखाती हूँ. Rishi, How was the mango lassi? देखना जरा. मैंगो लस्सी पीने के बाद ऋषि की चाल बदल गई है और धीरे हो गया. Not that he needed to walk any slower, but he's walking much slower than before. And Yongtan is here. Next look हम आपको दिखाएंगे, but it's in the evening. बीच में अभी क्या करें? लंच के लिए जाएंगे, शॉपिंग करें थोड़ी सी.
Lunch shopping.
ओह दोनों मानना पड़ेगा. इनकी जो हिम्मत है वो कभी कम नहीं होती है. Guys, lunch o'clock. चलिए बड़ी नींद आ रही है यार, बड़ी नींद आ रही है. I can't be lying on the vlog, but मैं बताना चाहती हूँ ऋषि, what's on your plate right now?
Fried chicken burger.
ये बर्गर जो है ये फिट कैसे आएगा?
3 मिनट बाद देख लो, लेके नहीं है.
मुंह में फिर पेट में फिट कैसे आएगा? And what am I eating? Atlantic cod once again. Yongtan खा रही है pasta, broccoli and rice salad and one little extra chicken serving for the table. Yum! What's for lunch? तो ज़्यादा नहीं ऑर्डर कर लिया जैसे ऋषि ने कहा 3 मिनट बाद मिलते हैं. क्या हो गया ऋषि? लंदन में गाड़ी नहीं मिल रही तेरे को?
नहीं,
बुरे.
ने मना कर दिया. No cars for us.
Let's go to Pachpan.
Where is Pachpan? Where is Pachpan? Pachpan.
वो अपना बचपन है ना.
ये दोनों बहुत क्यूट है. इनको पता चलेगा कि जब हम शॉपिंग की वजह से अपना प्रीमियर ना मिस कर ले. Come on, where is the car? Guys, just letting you know, my manager has quit again. Every vlog he quits. हो गया ऋषि?
ट्रिपल टैप करने की जरूरत नहीं है. वो
ट्रिपल टैप. हाँ ठीक है.
वो करने की जरूरत.
योंगटन के बारे में बताती हूँ, वो कभी थकती नहीं है. She, if you love all my looks on roadies ना, ये है वो कलाकार. और ऋषि के बारे में मैं कम ही बोलूँ तो बेटर. ऋषि
वो अपनी होटल आ गई.
होटल आ गई is not a female. होटल आ गया. Hi everyone. और हम पहुँचने वाले हैं 52 Blue के प्रीमियर पे at Liv. And यहाँ पे भी ऋषि बहुत उत्सुक हैं, पता नहीं क्यों. बट और योंगटन बहुत गुमसुम है. पता नहीं क्या हुआ योंगटन.
I'm excited to watch the 52 Blue.
Oh, how nice. Rishi, are you excited or you're like?
Very excited, but I should not sleep.
But that's just such a rude thing to say. Look back.
Because I am. The thing is, I've not slept well. So
मतलब हम यहाँ पे मेहनत करें. एक मिनट. There is a serious problem. I am working and I have worked non-stop over there. और पूरी मेहनत करें एंड मैनेजर साहब बोल रहे हैं कि वो शायद सो जाएंगे. सैड सैड सैड. Ali, how are you feeling right now?
I feel like a kid going to the exam.
Are you nervous?
Yes, super nervous.
So many people have already seen the film.
Yeah, but every time I will show the movie for the audience, I feel this. But I'm so excited to see me after the movie.
Okay, मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि ये है हमारे डायरेक्टर और वो बता रहे हैं कि वो नर्वस हैं. नर्वस क्यों? बहुत ही अच्छी फिल्म बनाई है. But I'm going to be watching this film for the first time. Ashish, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling incredible.
Incredible.
I don't have much words.
Yeah, you're not feeling nervous?
This is my second time watching the film,
So?
I'm nervous. I'm anxious about the Q&A, but still I'm fine.
Okay. And how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. I'm excited to see all of you again on screen.
You've seen the film before?
Yes.
Okay. And our producer, who I can't for some strange reason zoom into. How do you do the zoom in on this? Yeah, how are you feeling?
Feeling great. I'm the proud of all of you.
Oh!
Yeah.
Guys, आप भी कहीं ना कहीं जहाँ पे भी देखेंगे, you have to make sure, please write to us in comments if you have already seen 52 Blue, and otherwise tell us how excited you are. Okay, we've just finished the premiere of 52 Blue. It's been very exciting. The response has been overwhelming. मतलब अंदर से मैं निकल के आ गई हूँ because I was a little embarrassed. थोड़ी ज़्यादा लोग तारीफ कर रहे थे, which is always amazing, but I'm not very good at taking compliments. Also about what I'm wearing today, Mini Sondi, amazing outfit. It's like these pants, sari, jacket. कल देखते हैं क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है. Until then, I'm going to keep you in my heart and come with it. So today I'm dressing up in this beautiful white dress which is by a brand called August. इसके बाद हमें Birmingham जाना है train पे, right Rishi? Okay, this is a big recommendation. It's right here. I can't seem to zoom in, but Gale's Coffee. Are you ready, Yongtan, for Gale's Coffee? Oh my God! Just look at this, guys. Gale's आने का कुछ तो फायदा हुआ, Yongtan.
So how was your coffee, Neha
My
Gales?
coffee is so good, so good. Double shot, 60 ml, just what I need. Is train ride के लिए and to suffer Rishi right now. Okay, Avakara Jaipur. Is that the name of the brand? ये पहना जा रहा है for the Birmingham leg of 52 Blue की screening. So look guys, I am now officially ready for the Birmingham premiere of 52 Blue. पूरी look की details अभी मैं नीचे जाके आपको बताऊंगी. Okay, officially showing you the look breakdown. Yonten, let's talk about it. Will you just? Okay, so the outfit is by Avakara Jaipur and sunglasses. There are options. I'll let you know when they pop up. On my travels, this one, someone gifted me on the sets of Bad News, a film I'd done. So yeah. This is the entire look breakdown, hair and makeup by Yonten. So yeah, I mean, I'm excited. Birmingham red carpet. Guys, soon after the performance premiere, getting back, God, I'm exhausted. But yeah, Birmingham was lovely. कल घूमेंगे फिरेंगे थोड़ा लंदन देखेंगे परसों have a quick media photo op and then back to Bombay. Morning after the premiere. बहुत अच्छा response था. Sorry I didn't actually tell you much. 52 Blue पहली मेरी international film and मैंने पहली बार खुद देखा था कि what the film is all about, what the performances are. Tonight we have our premiere in Birmingham, but before that we'll be going to meet some more members of the press, media, film industry, and more people who are invested in 52 Blue and us in meeting us. But sabse pehle, I am going to go here for a run. Getting absolutely run ready. Yahan hum ja rahe hain. I'm going to be going right here for a run. And look at the view behind me. It is amazing. So what's my run program today? First warm up. And soon after that, 4-1. Because कई दिनों बाद मैं कर रही हूँ run, so I don't want to take too many chances injuring myself. But at the same time, I want to do my cardio. Amazing. I've just come out for a run. We're on this beautiful walking bridge. It's right here. But I'm going to go back to my run now. What's on my plate? मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ run के बाद मैं क्या खा रही हूँ. Turkey, cheese, and I've kept Yongten very busy. Yongten, what are you doing?
Just peeling off the egg.
Peeling the eggs.
Preparing your-
Kitne ande?
Preparing
8
your
egg whites.
breakfast.
8 egg whites. Yes, 24 grams of protein. Yongten, you're going to get better hair on my head and face. And Rishi, how was your run?
Last night or today morning?
This morning, last night. How was your run? Too good. Rishi is so busy, yeah.
2-0.
Nobody's going to eat your food. थोड़ा धीरे खाना.
अरे जाना है मेरे को वाली को मिलने.
जाना है. Rishi always has an excuse to eat his food very fast. अंडे छिल रहे हैं. छिल गए अंडे? Almost. Yeah, almost. 24 grams of protein. Here I come. Okay, let's see where my finger lands and let's see where I go. Okay, ready?
Yes.
सबसे पहले तो I have to go to get my chashmas. Okay, closest is Australia.
Philippines.
Philippines, चलो Thailand. Let's go to Thailand. हाँ, आवाज नहीं आ रही. हेलो. हाँ, पैसे खत्म हो गए. Literally amazing कि हमें खाना खाने के पहले सब शूट करना पड़ता है. Tough life guys, but I want to share everything with you. Okay. Lunch o'clock, are you ready?
Already.
Already. I would have also said more about the food, but मुझे कहीं पे लग रहा है कि Yongten को बहुत भूख लग रही है, वो मेरा खाना ना खा जाए तो इसके बाद खाने के बाद. We are, I'm in London आए और Oxford Street आए, ऐसे तो हो नहीं सकता है. अभी हमने कम से कम 2 घंटे बिताए हैं deciding what Angad will like and what he will not like, but we have very successfully got him gym clothes because Angad घर से ज़्यादा gym में ही रहता है. So yeah, goodbye.
No, Gymshark.
Gymshark. Angad फिर बोलना मत मैं present नहीं लाई. मेरी बीवी मेरे लिए कुछ लाती नहीं. Guys, this is proof. If he ever says, yeah, proof. Check out the proof. प्यार हो तो ऐसा प्यार. We are in the world famous Oxford Street. I mean, दुनिया भर के लोग यहाँ पे दुनिया भर की शॉपिंग करने आते हैं. It's not over, guys. You can't come to London and not go to Selfridges. देखो कितनी हलचल है इस सड़क पे. Oh my God. What I said was Oxford Street was actually Regent Street, and this is Oxford Street. Take a look at it. फिर मत बोलना मैंने आप लोगों को लंदन नहीं दिखाया. हाँ? DIB Asia. पंजाबी गुरमुखी में लिखा हुआ है. So nice to see कि गुरमुखी में लिखा हुआ है. ये कौन सा रेस्टोरेंट है? BB's got long queues. It's always nice to see. If you're in London and if you're not here, are we going there or are we going there? There. Chinatown, baby. That's where we're going for dinner. There you go. We're in Chinatown right now. Or I mean, the excitement is so much right now because there is Norway versus England, and the entire street kind of literally blew up because England also scored a goal. They were 1-0 down and then England scored a goal. We have settled for Cafe TPT. Guys, it's dinner o'clock. हम आपको दिखाना चाहते हैं what's in our plate. सबसे पहले तो this amazing prawn, healthy, lovely, it's sizzling. I don't know if you can hear the crackling sound. It's so good. Beans, fried rice, steamed rice, chicken, good old chicken corn soup. Chinatown, baby. Oh my. 17,000 steps approximately. Definitely on that meal. Can't wait. We'll let you know. What a place, what a vibe. I've lost Yongten, but I don't know where she is right now. But lots of people around, lots of people. मिल जाएगी कहीं ना कहीं. कहाँ जाएगी? Oh, Yongten मिल गई. Yongten कहता था खाना अब नहीं चला जा रहा मेरे से. इतनी लंबी लंबी लाइनें भाई साहब. ये O'Neill's, ये क्या है? इतनी लंबी लाइन है अंदर जाने के लिए.
Which show? Which shows? Coming soon, coming soon.
खाना खाएं और उसके बाद मीठा ना खाएं ऐसे तो हो ही नहीं सकता. So we are going to go into Snowflake right now. Oh my God! Look at these. It's pistachio milk cake, berry cake. So does it have any Indian flavors? ये पिस्ता लिखा हुआ है. So it's like milk cake.
Milk cake. It's like a sponge cake inside with a flavored milk underneath, and we put like pistachio grains on top as well.
Wow! So
really
it's like a mix between milk cake and tres leche.
Yes, you want to try the sauce as well? I can give you the taste for the sauce as well.
हाँ try करवाओ. जो try कराना है सब कुछ हमारे ब्लॉग पे आएगा. हमारे ब्लॉग में सबको अच्छा लगता है खाना.
Anything for you.
Anything for me?
Yeah.
Bye me.
I know you.
Oh, you know me. अच्छा.
But yeah.
Oh my God. And ये क्या है? Hero आज का ये है. So if you're coming here, I highly recommend this. But इतनी पेट पूजा के बाद good night guys. See you on the other side. ये देखिए excitement because England has scored a goal. This is what is happening right now. The excitement because England has scored. हम लोग भी यहाँ पे अपने phone पे देख रहे हैं because we missed it. We didn't time it perfectly. Overtime we were watching it over here. But in overtime England scored a goal. This city is literally blowing up right now with excitement. On my left, on my right, just people just going crazy. Good morning. Rise and shine. Early morning क्या हो रहा है? ये देखो सुबह जो ये nail paint लगाए जा रहे हैं. Good morning. How's it going, Yongten? क्या कर रहे हैं आज? We are going for the Lagan premiere, 25 years of Lagan at Liv, and I think Amir and lots of his fans and fans of Indian cinema are going to be there. So exciting. Last day, आखिरी दिन है. क्या भगदड़ मचने वाली है? क्या होने वाला है? क्या नहीं होने वाला है? I feel like it's going to be an exciting day. Let me show you my view. Toys. My son is very excited for this Batman toy I have bought for him. For my daughter, I've got slime. Little girls love slime. Leaving for Thailand, so cute little sand tools. Bag कह रहा है कि मुझे बंद कर दो ये. This is talking back to me. दी बंद कर दो मुझे, पर मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ because it's what?
Overflow.
Okay, early morning street style shoot. तैयार हैं हम for the final day of mine at the London Indian Film Festival. अभी हम लंदन में हैं. I'm wearing this beautiful outfit by Anavila. Lagan, 25 years celebrating, having a few hints of the color green. It's very synonymous, and सबसे ज़रूरी है that I love Indian designers. I love endorsing Indian designers. And look के लिए Yongton ने she's pushed my hair back. ये जो है ये मैंने गोवा में एक flea market से ली थी. Hustly. Tom Ford sunglasses. Yeah, that's my look. Now photo shoot. Are we ready? We should introduce the coolest photographer, young little kid. अगर आप यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं to London and you need a great photographer, there you go. You know where to find one.
Yeah, I love the outfit that you're wearing. Give me a 12, baby girl. Give me a 12, please. Titilia.
क्या हो रहा है आज? I'm going to tell you. Lagan screening 25 years. Amir should be here anytime. Gauri and I know each other. She's here. Where is she? Oh my god, I have to do some dance class thing with her. Okay, tell me, what is the feeling of meeting Amir at 25 years of Lagan?
I will not talk as a director, I will talk as a wrestler. Because he did movie like Dangle,
Yeah.
and I watch it, and it's really amazing. I love it as a wrestler. As a director, he's a great actor.
Okay, guys. Also, have I done the look breakdown? I have, right? We just met Amir Khan. Can't keep calm. Just met Amir Khan. So yeah, 25 years of Lagan is being celebrated inside. What a movie! If you're as big a fan of the film as I am, write in comments. Tell us. I'm going to revisit this film again once I go back home. More importantly, heading home now. Actually, really heading home. हम जा रहे हैं होटल की तरफ. उसके बाद सवारी पैक करना शुरू कर देगी क्योंकि सवारी अब घर जा रही है. निकलते वक्त ले लेंगे. ये क्या है यॉन्टन? अभी आप जो ब्रेकफास्ट से क्या लेकर आए हो? ये देखो.
Luxury yogurt.
क्या आप भी वो इंसान हैं जो ब्रेकफास्ट से कुछ ना कुछ ज़रूर उठाते हैं? ये देखिए. One day or day one, you decide. Which one is it going to be for you? Last day, last moment. पर जाने से पहले Gale's coffee is extremely important because I love coffee. Are you ready for the airport? Yes, I am ready for the airport. Ready to go, ready to go, ready to go. Ready to go to the airport. वैसे मेरे bags भरे हुए हैं. ऋषि के bags भी भरे हुए हैं. Not with his stuff, with my stuff. But time to go home. What time is it? My daughter's favorite question. 3:07. Flight is at 5:30 p.m. Landing time 8 a.m. India time IST. चलिए. We've reached B37. हमने सोचा हम नीचे आके खाना खाएंगे. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ एक ट्रेन है. हमको खाना कब मिलेगा, कैसे मिलेगा पता नहीं. Now we await the big Indian hospitality. घर जाएंगे, सुबह नाश्ता करेंगे. बस 12 घंटे और before we can get home. Rishi, looking good, bro. टेक ऑफ नहीं है अभी. तो क्लोजिंग ना कर इतनी जल्दी. ऋषि टेक ऑफ बोल रहा है कि और शूट ना हो. बोर्डिंग B37. I'm going to tell you a crazy story about this train. ऋषि की ना एक बार वो लेट हो गया था फ्लाइट के लिए और वो ऐसे ही भाग के ट्रेन के अंदर घुसने वाला था. एंड ऋषि as soon as he's entered, he's gotten so excited that he made the same train as us because he was late. And then Rishi, what was the action you did that your phone? What happened?
Yeah, ऊपर के pocket से सीधा नीचे. This small thing.
Crack. It was literally like I'll show you.
BlackBerry ज़माना था. वो BlackBerry का phone था.
BlackBerry का phone था और and Rishi was like, Rishi, वो क्या थी feeling वो? Oops. अभी जो आपके हाथ में है सामग्री वो बैग में डाल लो इसके पहले कि उसमें भी oops हो जाए. Okay, now right before we take off, I have to sum up my trip. It was amazing. It was so nice. हमारी फिल्म का यूरोपियन प्रीमियर था. We were here for it. And just be able to see a city, go back to it, do fun things with your team at the same time, work and get a great response from the audience. It's been absolutely amazing. And more importantly, aap sabne ek terrific into our lives, into my life, and I love that. And thank you to love. जो प्यार आप लोग हमें देते हैं, just keeps encouraging us to tell our stories, make you travel with us, share our lives with all of you. And thank you for the love always. My first ever international film. जब मौका मिले फिल्म जरूर देखना है. Until then, I'm always here. I'll see you the other side. Meet नए episode के साथ, double date के साथ, walk के साथ. But until then, we're about to fly away. Like, share, subscribe.